Synology America DiskStation 4-bay network storage. With AES-NI hardware encryption engine. Synology products support hardware-accelerated encryption, which allows for access to encrypted folders and minimizes performance cost. Synology DiskStations can be used in sensitive environments, including HIPAA. With comprehensive network file sharing protocol support, DiskStation ensures seamless cross-platform access. Synology supports existing AES or LDAP environments up to 100,000 users or groups. Synology products support iSCSI and NFS for virtual storage. SMBs can take advantage of this technology to provide additional storage for their application servers, including Microsoft Exchange, or VMware vSphere. Synology high availability to minimize downtime. Two Synology products can be joined together as a storage cluster. If a critical failure is experienced at one of the servers, interruptions are minimized, allowing users to continue to work. For businesses that have many branches, CloudStation can be used to create a distributed private cloud, where DiskStations will use bidirectional syncing to keep data consistent. The Synology DSM operating system offers a fantastic graphical user interface which implements HTML5 and CSS, displaying the interface in a web browser. The FileStation utility supports context-sensitive drag and drop, and right mouse button. The FileStation utility that is included in the latest DSM version supports displaying more than 300 files in a page view. 300 file limit is an irritation when attempting to copy, move or delete several thousand security camera videos on a daily basis through the GUI using older DSM version. Which allow access to the Linux command line and the configuration of scheduled script execution. Synology offers a customer support forum. The optional Synology packages appear to be decent. The Synology surveillance station, possibly useful, still seems to be overly fragile. To purchase Synology DiskStation 4-bay network storage, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.